Sitting in my office in the plate of grilled bacon. Call my man Luke just to see what was shaking. Yo, John, our town is dope and pretty. So check out how we live in the Electric City. They call it Rogers. What? The Electric City. Rogers. What? The Electric City. Lazy Rogers, the Electric City. They call it that because of the electricity. Our city's laid out from east to west, and our public parks and libraries are truly the best. Go to the nurse if you're bit by a spider. But don't bring it with, because it might surprise her. Plenty of space in the parking lot, but the visitors can't go in the visitor spot. Spot. Don't lose your head. We like bread machines for the tasty bread. They call it Rogers. What? The Electric City. Rogers. What? The Electric City. Rogers. What? The Electric City. They call it Rogers. What? The Electric City. Rogers. What? The Electric City. Rogers. What? Huh?
Good morning and welcome to the RHS News. I'm Olivia Boxwell.
And I'm Emma Breslin.
Hey Emma, did you know that October is College Knowledge Month?
You know, Olivia, I did. And did you know that many Minnesota colleges and universities are waiving their application fees?
Whoa, for real? I don't want to miss out on that, but I'm not really sure how to get started.
Well, Miss Morrison, the 12th grade counselor, and Miss Handrick, the college and careers counselor, will be holding senior meetings to help students with any post-secondary related questions throughout October.
That's awesome, but I also need help with applications, transcripts, sending ACT scores, and all that stuff.
Just sign up for a win session with Miss Handrick for help.
Thanks, Emma. That was really helpful.
No problem, Olivia.
Well, RHS, we're almost to our first break. Remember that a week from today we'll have a 2-hour early release followed by fall break.
Right now, it's time to kick back and take a look at this week's
Featured Segments.
Have you ever wondered how computers do things? They do everything in terms of zeros and ones. That's crazy, right? And it comes out as video and sound and information and everything in terms of zeros as ones. I didn't know how that works at all. In fact, I still don't know that much, but I got this game. It's called Turing Tumble. And this Turing Tumble is designed, it uses marbles to help us think about how a computer chip actually works in terms of zeros and ones. Let's see a little bit what it looks like. So we push the start and it drops down from the top. This causes it to drop a red one. Over here causes it to drop a blue one. And we can make different patterns at the very end based on the way we set up the machine. There's this book that gives us all sorts of different challenges, and it's kind of set up in a comic book style, so it's kind of fun to read in that aspect. And some of them are really easy and some of them are really challenging. So come join me in B204 on Fridays. Because we only have one game, it's limited to 6 people, so sign up fast. Hope to see ya.
Today on TMZ.
Alright, hey, what do we got going on today?
So, I got Anderson and Brent looking a little too close and flirty at lunch the other day.
Oh!
What about Schultz?
Let's roll the clip.
Oh, is this PLC or TLC as Brent and Anderson get a little close? Now let's see Schultzenberg's reaction to the whole thing.
Schultz!
Did you guys break up? What's going on? I have no comment.
Oh, that's sister suspicious.
What's that?
You know, like James Charles, the YouTuber? Sisters?
I'm not seeing it. No, that's not at all.
Get this. I got Mr. Fossum tripping on the stairs.
Let's check it out.
Oh, looks like the floors were a little slippery, as Mr. Fossum came to learn. Luckily, our cameras were there to capture the whole thing. From now on, maybe he should stick to the elevator.
That's Birch!
Oh.
What? I don't see it. That rope.
You know, like fat merch, birch. It's a catchphrase.
That's
It's not
catchy.
catchy at all. I should just get out, Olivia. Just leave, honestly.
Call it in.
It's a shame. Yeah, it's a shame.
That's catchy.
Hey, grab me a juice box while you're out, will you?
How's it?
Well, hey guys, I got an idea for a catchphrase. How about like, Birch? Oh! Yeah, that's Birch!
That's good! Next time on TMZ, we find out the victor in the competition for Miss Anderson's heart.
Come on out tomorrow for the evening of exploration here at Rogers High School. From 4 to 7, there will be a college fair with tons of different universities that you can talk with. A career, trade, and military fair, so lots of different professionals where you can learn about lots of career paths that you might be interested in. We'll have a food truck, so bring your families out for dinner. And then of course there will also be parent-teacher conferences happening. So don't miss it, come out tomorrow. See you at the evening of exploration.
This is Faith, who is one of our club leaders, and we're here today to tell you all about Club Pinterest. My favorite thing about Club Pinterest is that it's got flexible attendance, so if you don't come every single time, it doesn't matter. We just want you to come, and it's a space to be creative and get messy, make mistakes, and have fun. So just come and sign in with me, and then you can just come and start looking for things that you want to do. If you are on our Schoology group, then I send you updates on Schoology with ideas that we may or may not try, or just things to get your creativity going.
Hi, my name is Mackenzie Bulldog.
And my name is Tessa Judge, and we are the leaders of HUSH this year.
HUSH is an anti-bullying and suicide awareness club here at RHS.
HUSH stands for Helping You Seek Help.
Wednesday, October 24th is Unity Day. We are asking the entire student body to wear orange and stand up,
speak out,
and unite against bullying.
The best orange outfit will win a gift certificate, and that will be announced at the end of the school day.
The 2 days leading up to Unity Day, we will have a table set up at lunch with various activities for you.
We will have post-it notes where you can sign a pledge against bullying all week.
With that, there will be candy and temporary tattoos on Unity Day.
We hope that all of you will make a visit to our lunch table during Unity Week. And remember to wear orange Wednesday, October 24th.
Although Wednesday is Unity Day,
we want every day to be treated as Unity Day.
So stand up,
speak out,
and unite against bullying.
Hi, my name is Mr. Wagner. I teach 10th grade U.S. history along with 12th grade government here at RHS. And I graduated from RHS actually back in 2014, way back in the day. I have a bunch of Disney movies that I love, but if I had to pick one Disney movie as my favorite Disney movie, it'd have to be Aladdin. One of my favorite memories from Rogers High School is when I was a senior, so in 2014, I was a state champion in the Learn and Earn project for DECA. So something interesting about myself, when I was at college, I participated in the Disney College program, so I got to work at Disney World for about 4 or 5 months. So I was down in Orlando working at Animal Kingdom selling merchandise at the front entrance, so that was something interesting about myself that not a lot of people know. Okay, so this is a picture from me in high school when I went to the DECA trip to New York. It was a tradition to have one DECA member lick a hole on the subway, so I was the one who decided to do it, and that is one of my favorite pictures from high school.
I'm Ann Froming. I teach social studies, government for seniors, psychology for juniors and seniors. My why is never be a second-rate version of somebody else. Always be a first-rate version of yourself. And teaching allows me to encourage that in my students.
Hey, I'm Matthew Fossum. I teach 10th, 11th, and 12th grade English. This is my 3rd year at Rogers High School. Why I do this, my why. I think that every single one of you, Rogers High School students, I think that every single one of you can learn, can grow, and that all of you have something to share, to contribute, to give to us. And I want to help people realize that. So that's my why. Yeah!
watching. Sadly, there will be no newscast next week due to the 2-hour early release. But we'll be back on the air on October 24th, so have a great fall break. And as always, have a great time in prime time.